Yep.
Okay, this is the
I
advantage.
just created my modified version of a trademark on its own. There's no reason to worry about the original trademark being resurrected by somebody and then my trademark being challenged, retroactively infringing somehow.
Right.
Usually it's like, people like who have like a childhood brand that you remember that's long since gone out of business and they want to bring it back. You can do that. It's possible. You got to do your due diligence and make sure that the trademark truly was abandoned, what just transferred to a third party who's still keeping it alive somehow. So you want to look at the USPTO for any registration certificates that are still live and in force, and then see when they were abandoned. That would be important. And then you want to look to see if there's some common law usage out there of its trademark. So is anybody still using it or still selling surplus product of it potentially, right? Is this product still available to purchase somewhere, somehow? And, the owner of the trademark, are they still in business? You probably have to do some due diligence there. Assuming all those things are no, I mean, after I'd say 5 years of non-use, you're probably pretty safe to pick that up, use it.
That's awesome. I queried chat and you nailed every single part. And then I was like, hey, can you give me some examples of a few old brands that seem to be available?
Yeah.
Pan Am Airlines went out in bankruptcy. One.
Interesting. I bet it's Pan Am is, you're not in business anymore, right? But I bet they still have trademark registrations.
Okay, so right, check with an attorney is bottom line. But some of these are Woolworths.
Yeah.
It's a U.S. retail chain. Brim, which was a 1980s decaf coffee brand. I never heard of Brim. Oldsmobile. That's a well-known name. GM may still hold residual rights.
Yeah, so like there's always interesting ways that these companies, because there's trademark attorneys to these companies, and they're like, we're not losing the rights to Oldsmobile. Like that's still worth something.
Yeah.
Even they're not in business anymore. So I bet they're making model diecast cars still, right?
Yep.
I bet they're still providing parts for Oldsmobile, right? So the brand's still alive because they're
Oh yeah. If you go to oldsmobile.com, let's see. Oldsmobile.com. I don't know what's gonna happen. I mean,
what would they put there? Like a
I don't see anything. Nothing's
website or something. I don't know, but they're definitely with more hands alive if they can.
I think that I agree.